Welcome to Math Mantra. In today's class, we are going to discuss about Class 6, Chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers, and how to find the factors and multiples. If you go through this video, you will get knowledge of solving exercise number 3.1. Chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Introduction. Ram has 6 marbles with him. He wants to arrange them in rows in such a way that each row has the same number of marbles. He arranges them in the following ways and matches the total number of marbles. Here is the arrangement. He had arranged in such a way he had used 6 rows, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 column. 1 marble in each row. See, we can see this is 1 marble. So, in each row, see, always remember the horizontal is row and the vertical is column. Number of rows. So, how many number of rows are there? 6 number of rows. See here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many number of columns? 1. So now, total number of marbles. Always remember the number of columns that need to be taken first. See, here 1 column is there. So let's take 1 into the number of rows, 6. So 1 into 6 is equals to 6. Now, we'll see another arrangement. 2 marbles in each row. So, 2 marbles in each row, how we will do it? Here is the arrangement. See here, 2 marbles in each row. In first row, 2 marbles. Second row, 2 marbles. In third row, 2 marbles are there. And how many columns are there? 2. Now, number of rows are 3. So the total number of marbles, so the number of columns are 2, no? So 2 into the number of rows, 3. That is equals to 6. 3 marbles in each row. See here, we are going to see the arrangement. So in each row, how many are there? 3 marbles in first row, 3 marbles in second row. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. So now we see how many rows are there? 2. How many columns? 3. So total number of marbles, the number of columns into the number of rows. The number of columns are 3. 1, 2, 3. And the number of rows are 2. 1, 2. So 3 twos are 6. So in same way, we can have in each row can we have in each row 4 marbles or 5? We can't, because if you have 4 marbles in one row, so in next row when you come, you will be having only 2. So with 4 and 5 we cannot have. Okay, so with 6, can we see how the arrangement will be? This is how the arrangement. See here, the number of marbles in row is 6. The column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there and 1 row. Okay, so now number of rows 1, the number of columns 6, so 6 into 1. So here what was the common thing you were observing. So whatever we have multiplied, we were getting the answer as 6. So now from these calculations, sorry, here I just mentioned Ramesh, it is Ram, observes that 6 can be written as the product of two numbers in different ways. So in first case it was 1 into 6. In second case 2 into 3. In third case 3 into 2. In last case 6 into 1. So whichever two numbers you have multiplied, you left with 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. Now we'll see the factors of 6. So 6 can be represented as 1 into 6 is 6. 2 threes are 6. Okay, so while you're finding the factors of 6 or of any number, when you're multiplying like this, and you have to stop when same digits get repeat. Suppose here 1 into 6 is 6, okay, and 2 threes are 6, then 3 twos are 6. So when I say 3 twos are 6, 3 and 2, these digits been repeated here, okay, then we have to stop. So after stopping, what we have to do? We have to put the arrow marks in this way, and we have to write the digits in this order: 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay? See, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then we see the next question. Before saying, you can find the factors of 12 and 16 in same way. Then we have find the factors of 18. So 18 can be written in this way: 1 into 18, 2 nines are 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 threes are. See here 3 6 are 18, 6 threes are 18. So we no need to write this step, so we cut it. Okay, so as we have discussed in previous sum, when we get the same digits, we need to stop there. Okay, so we don't need to consider it. We'll stop here itself and we put the arrow marks and we will write the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. Then factors of 36. Same way, 1 into 36. And when you don't know in second table when the 36 will fall, so when you don't know about it how to do, what you can do is you can divide this number by 2. You will get the quotient as 18. So directly you can write it as 2 into 18. Okay. And then 3 twelves are same way. You just divide 36 by 3. You will get the quotient 12. No, you can write that quotient here. Then, so 4 nines are 6 6 are. Okay, when 6 6 are, it is repeating. No, 6 6 are. So we need to stop here. And we have to, because the digits are repeating. So we'll stop here and see after 6 when you go you will get 9 fours are, no, so 9 fours are, you no need to write that, so you can stop here and list out according to the arrow marks. So the factors of 36 will be 1 2 3 4 6 9, again 6 you no need to write, 9 12 18 and 36. Then factors of 23. See, so far we had composite numbers and it is very easy of finding, but when you have prime numbers, so what kind of factors you are gonna get? Now we see 23, 1 into 23 is true, and we know very well that prime numbers have only two factors, one and the number itself. So we know, like we won't get this 23 in any other table, so it will be having only 1 and the number itself as its factors. So the factors of 23 will be 1 and 23, and you can try with these problems. So next we will see about the multiples. Okay, the multiples of 6. So the multiples of 6, 6 ones are, if you know the tables, it is very easy to write the multiples. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. See here, these answers are there, no? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are the multiples of 6. And here when you observe, here 6 into 1 is equals to 6, no? So 6 is the multiple, and the 6 and 1 are the factors of the 6. Okay, and I will tell you, like here I didn't mention those points, but remember these points. The factor, suppose if I ask you to find the factor of 6, the factors will be 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so which means that the greatest factor of any number will be the number itself. Okay, and we can see in back slides. See here, suppose when we take 36, okay, the greatest factor of 36 will be 36 itself, and other factors will be smaller than 36, and it will be having limited number of factors. Okay, and when we see in the case of multiples, okay, so here if I ask you to write the 5 multiples, you can write, and the multiple, the least multiple will be the number itself, and the remaining multiples will be greater than the number. Please remember this point, very very important. Okay, and here the multiples have no count, it will be countless. So if I ask you to write 100 multiples also, you can write. Multiples of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, and if I ask you for more multiples also, you can write in same way. So multiples are quite easy compared to the factors. So hope you understand. Please try for 8 and 9. Find the multiples of these numbers. So hope you understood. Please go through the video for better understanding, and you can solve your 3.1 exercise if you understand the concept very well. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tipanagari Radha. Thank you.